Initial drill is the first graded event of recruit training. It allows the regiment as a whole to take a look at exactly what the recruits have learned up to this point regarding close order drill. It allows the drill instructor to showcase a lot of the effort that they put into these recruits throughout the first 24 training days. There's a lot of work that goes into it, a lot of behind the scenes things, tightening up drill and ensuring that you're the best that you can be before you step on that parade deck. It's a fun, exciting time, but on the other end of it, there's a lot of work that goes into it to ensuring that you can put the best product out there. The recruits they're anxious, they're excited, their adrenaline is through the roof, and those are all the things that, as a unit leader, you can see when you're out there.